Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In previous video we discussed about uh, Spring AOP, and in Spring AOP we discussed what is aspect, what is advice, what is join point, what is point cloud, what is target class, what is waving, and what is proxy class. Okay, and we discussed about and we can develop our Spring application using first approach is using our Spring AOP, and second is aspect JOP. And I told you that Spring AOP is older. That's why we did not use that. And nowadays we use aspect JOP. But for knowledge sake, we will discuss Spring AOP. Just one or two example we will see. Then we will move to the aspect JOP. Okay. Uh, okay. In Spring AOP, first we will discuss. Let's give a heading: Spring AOP declarative approach. Okay, let's see this thing. Spring AOP declarative approach. What it happen means, in declarative approach what we will did is, here we use our XML file to configure our aspect and target class, and also configure that class that performing waving. We use our Spring framework, a class called like a proxy factor win class for our waving and generating the proxy class. Okay. I told you that what is waving. And waving means the process of the process of advising our aspects on the target class to build our proxy class is called waving. Simply we call it is all about combining the multiple logics to build one proxy class like this. Okay. Then we discuss. Then next point we will discuss what advice. Our advice, around advice. First we will discuss. And I told you that advice is four types, and one is around advice, and one is before advice, one is after advice, one is through us advice, like this. First one is we will discuss our around advice. I will give example using around advice also. Using around advice. Around advice indicates the action that taken by X aspect on join points. So around advice makes its aspect to execute arounds in the join point. Means our advice logic execute before entering to the target method, and after executing the target method. Okay. In our Spring AOP declarative approach, we will implement the method interceptor interface. Okay, we will implement method interface. There is a method called our invoke method is there, whose return type is object, and whose parameter is method invocation. Okay. There in this method we use dot proceed method to call our target methods. You will understand. I will start doing this in example. Okay. Sorry, not this. I will open now my Eclipse first. Okay, let that Eclipse open. launch our application Eclipse. It is just AOP is used to mix up our primary and secondary logic. Okay, in a runtime. That's why you will use this thing. Okay. This uses our CGlib library or our JDBC library is that this uses. I will talk these things later. Let's open this thing. Okay. Before we getting there, we will search for MVN repository. Okay. Repository where we collect our jars. Then I will Spring AOP. I will search for word Spring AOP. Okay. We need this jar. Okay. Okay. We'll see this next jar. It's not open. How much time it takes? Then MVN repository. We need Spring context support. We need Spring context support. We need done. This one we need launched or not launched. Okay, launched. Okay, our not recorded. I will record soon this thing. If you click there and file our computer, if you click one application and right click there, okay, then you close unrelated projects is there. You have to close this thing. If you close this, then this thing will not. Okay, I don't want this also. I will close. Okay, then I will start our new Maven project. Okay, new Maven project. There is. I will start what Maven archetype hyphen quick start. Here it is. Next. Okay, this private LTD. Then I will start what our first Spring AOP Spring AOP 01 what 01 declarative approach of what declarative approach of around advice. Okay, around advice. Then con dot rpl dot test will like our default package. We will take this, then we will click OK. Okay, give some time to project. It is building. Okay. Yes can. Then we will open our pom.xml. In pom.xml add some jars. Okay, I have to change my computer version. Okay. 17. Okay. Then what is the dependency we need? We read this context support. Okay. Context support is there. We need the context support, and what we need? We need Spring AOP. Okay. Okay, I need Spring AOP. Control S, Alt 5 to refresh our project. Okay. Yes, let's see event dependencies. Win AOP JCL. Context support, context is there, beans is there, aspects. We need one more thing. Aspects. Yes. What is this thing? This means there is no document. Okay. Expect J. Okay. Okay. We not need this expect J. Okay. When we work with expect J, we will need this. For that first time we don't need this. Okay. Okay. Aspects. Okay. Let me copy this. Okay. I think this dependency is needed. If not needed, I will comment it. Okay. This is not needed. Okay. Expect waiver. Okay. Expect the waiver also. Waiver. Okay. We will see this thing. Okay. Let's start. Let's develop our application. Okay. First, what we will develop? Our service class we will develop first. New class. Okay. Package is what? Service class. Okay. Service class. Then we will. What example we will take? We will take some. Okay, let me think. What example we will take? Okay, I will calculate one interest. Okay, interest amount bank calculator. Okay, interest amount calculator. I will take a class. Okay, develop one interest. Okay, I will take a method called public float calculate simple interest. Okay, we will calculate some simple interest. We will calculate. What is the formula for simple interest? PTR. Okay, principal rate time. Okay, so I will take parameter as a principal. I will take P only. P float PT R. Okay, PTR float rate time. I will take like that for not confusing purpose. Okay. So return, what will return? What will return? We will return PTR. Okay. P into R into T. Okay, PTR divided by, what is the formula? PTR divided by 100. Okay, 100 what? We need some float amount, na? That's why 0 F I am adding for floating values. Done. Our simple interest done. I will take one SOP here. Sys out. What will take? This is target class method. Okay, I will write this target class method. I will save. Okay, our what class ready? Our target class is ready. Okay, then we will develop what? Our advice class. Okay, let's develop our advice class. New class com dot rpl dot what? Our advice. Okay, advice class we will develop. What is that advice name? I am taking performance monitoring. Performance monitor. Okay, performance monitor. Okay, what I will tell, for our old style we will implements what we will implement? Our method interceptor. Okay, method. This is method. Where is interceptor? Cannot swing. Yes, here is method interceptor. Okay, here is we'll add on implemented methods. I told you now there is a invoke method is there. Okay, we will see this. If I comment this aspect, okay, why is not commenting? Okay, I commented this. I command Alt F5, I refresh, rebuild the project. Okay, I rebuild the project. Let's see, is gone. Yes, gone. I will do method interceptor. Yes, we not need this. Okay, that's jar for our aspect J programming. Okay, I confuse little bit. Okay. Okay, let's start our performance monitoring. What we will do, I will take one long start and I will take some variable. I will start is equal to, I will current time I will display here. Okay, sys out what start. Okay, when it is start. Okay, it started here. Then what we will do, there is a, I told you what is, there is a method called what, proceed method is there. We use this invocation to call our target class. I will start it. Okay, okay, I will take a variable called retrieval variable I will take. Okay, retrieval is equal to null, and I will do one thing, I will take this thing to outside. Control X. Okay, I will take this thing to outside. Okay, then it started. Then we will what, retrieval is equal to what, invocation dot, there is a proceed method. Okay, invocation dot proceed method we did. Okay, then end is equal to system dot current time in millis. Okay, system dot current time in millis, and at the last we will, what will do, I will print the end. Okay, I will print the end, and also I will print what, invocation dot, I want the method name. Okay, invocation dot get, there is a method called get method dot this, we can do method chaining here. Okay, get name also, get method that get name, we will get the method. Okay, this method has taken. Okay, what is taken, I will minus end time minus. Okay, I will start time, I will do start time. Okay, this much millisecond to complete. Okay, our performance monitor is done. Then next we will develop our what our application. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. New, not class, new package com.rpl dot what com.rpl dot mm, mm, pillar config. Okay, finish. Config. There we will new other spring bin configuration file. Next, what is that? Application context dot xml. Okay. Next, what is this? We need bin. We need. Okay. I will use Aop. In further section I will use Aop. In this section I will show you just little, only using beans I will show. Okay. XSD file namespaces and them. Okay. Next what? Next first we will what I will configure my target class. Okay. I'm configuring our target class. Okay, what is that? Our target class bin. Okay, what is our target class? id is equal to I am giving target. Okay, target class is what is class? Class is int amount calculator. Okay, service class. Yes, I configure my target class. Then I will configure what I will configure what I will configure my advice class. Okay, our secondary logic. Okay, what is the advice class? Bin id. Okay, bin id is equal to what? Our performance. Therefore I will take this id is therefore. Okay, class is what? Performance monitoring. Otherwise, okay, done. Then we will do one. Then we will do what? Our target class is ready, advice class is ready. We will mix up for dynamically. We use what? Our proxy factory bin. Okay, which internally uses what? Our cglib library or our jdbc library to generate proxy class. Okay, I will show you how they generate proxy class in I'll give some example, but this is not this is not completed. How with the example I will give just simple example how it will mix up. Okay. This is, I will show the example, but I don't know how they applied it, but I will give my knowledge how they applied in my point of view. I will give that. Okay, give my how they mix up. Okay. What is this? This is configuring our proxy factory bin. Okay, configuring proxy factory bin. Where is our bin ID is what? Bin ID, I am taking ID, I am taking what? Proxy factory bin, I am taking UFB is ID, class is what? I am telling proxy factory bin here. Okay, proxy factory bin. Then in proxy factory bin there is a property called in property tag. Okay, there is a property called, see, these many properties are there. Okay, my property is what? Target. Okay, target class. I am using first target class. What is the target class? And target class, and what is the target class? I am giving target class. What is this? Bin ID name target. Okay, I am giving for confusion purpose I will use tar only. Okay, not giving tar. Okay. Okay, then what we will do, then there is a property name called what? There is a property name in property tag. There is a property name called method interceptor. It is there, interceptor names. Okay. What is this? This specifies the target bin as the final name is interceptor name, list that deprecated and will be removed in future Spring version. Okay. See, this list is deprecated and will be removed in Spring future version. Then that for that purpose we will move to our aspect Aop. Okay. Okay, for knowledge I am giving this thing also. Okay. Okay, what is interceptor name? Interceptor name means we have lot of advice now. For example, we have performance advice, we have logging advice, we have caching advice. Okay, we will develop, we will show you. First I will give you the performance advice. Okay, means there is several type of advices are there now. That's why we will take in the list. Okay, in list we will take list tag. There is a value. Okay, what is the value? Value is this. Okay, this is the value. Okay. Okay, this is the value, and list ends, property ends. Okay, everything ends. Okay, done. Our configuration done. Then what we will do? Then we will check. Okay, we will test. It's this mixing of the logics at dynamically at runtime, they are mixing or not. We will check. Okay, there is a test class. There is a class called client app. Okay, client app. Okay. We need a main method. Okay. In main method we need what? We need application context ctx is equal to new. Okay. Application context. Okay. What happened? Application context is equal to new application context. We will use what we will use, class path we will use, or we will use file system application context we will use. Okay. We will use this. I don't think I will use this. Okay, let's. Okay, then what we will give com slash rpl slash config. Okay, config slash application context. Okay, dot xml. Okay, I'm saving the application. I think this relative path will not have. Okay, parsing xml document. Okay, file not found exception. Okay, for that purpose we will give our fully qualified name. Okay, src slash main slash java. Okay, slash. Okay, if I use class path, then this much is enough. Our com rpl, this much is enough. Okay, let's run. Now it will find. Okay, yes, not error, not coming. Okay, I will take this for something. Okay, yes, no error, not coming. Okay, then what we will do, we'll create our container here. Okay, we create container. Okay, create container, then let's get the bean. Okay, let's get the bean. What is the bean? How to get the bean? What? Interest amount calculator. Okay, interest amount calculator. Okay, calculator. Okay, we will terminate what proxy class. Proxy is equal to ctx dot get bean. Okay, what is the get bean? What is the get bean? Okay, p proxy factory bean. We give there now. See here we gave proxy factory bean. Okay, we gave that proxy factory bean, and what it is, how it is generated, the proxy class. This proxy class which is generated dynamically, which extends our performance in int amount calculator, our target class. It it extends our target class. So that's means we can't give that name now. We cannot give this predefined class name. Okay, for that purpose we will give that the superclass name. Okay, the superclass is what? Our int amount calculator dot class. Okay, we give the superclass name. Okay, then what we will do? Okay. Float what int interest. Okay, interest calculator, call int calculator is equal to what is that? Proxy dot calculate simple interest. Hello. What is that? P am giving some 80,000. Okay, 80,000 dot 0f. Okay, then I am giving r. What is the r? I am giving 2. Okay, rate of interest is 2 and time I am giving 20. Okay, then out. Okay, so what is that? Interest amount is equal to what? Interest amount. Okay, plus what? Int cal. Okay, done. Okay, let's run. Okay, what is the its method? Target method simple interest. Okay, these scams. Okay, and see calculator takes 1 minute to complete. Okay, method also come. Then after that, when it's come, okay, we did wrong thing here. Okay, I got this. Will not returning the value here. Okay, red well. Okay, we got the error. Let's see. Yes, simple interest is calculated. Okay, calculation is 1 ms second. Okay, this is our starting second and this is our ending second. This method is here. Okay, done. Okay, mix-ups internally. Okay, we called only what? See, calculate simple interest. Okay, when I call this calculate simple interest, then it checks there is any advice class is there or not. If there yes there, then it starts here, and then when the proceed method called, then it goes to the int amount calculator class, and it returns that value. Then ending loss, and then it returns from here and coming to our advice class, and here also ending logic is there. Okay, our invocation.get method.get name will getting the name here. Look, the calculate simple interest will get the name here also. Okay, then it comes to our client app, then finally prints the mm, mm, our simple interest amount at printers. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Then next what we will do, I will develop another service advice class. Okay. What is the advice class I will develop? I will develop new class. I will develop what? I will develop logging activities. For logging purpose, I will develop that next step. Okay. Okay. Logging advice. Okay, logging advice finished. What is this? This is implements what? This implements method. What? Method interceptor. Okay, we need an unimplement methods. Here we need what? I will print just logging message. Okay, sorry. Here what we did, invocation. Sorry, I'm letting some information here. Entering to okay, plus okay, I will give here invocation dot get method dot get name. Okay, get name plus okay, with arguments sorry, what is the arguments? We have to get the arguments. Arguments means here here three arguments is there. Three arguments means we need array kind of return. Then what we'll do to array, so I will convert that to arrays. Okay, arrays. Okay, arrays dot toString method is there. Okay, toString method, and this is overloading method is there. Here we got what? Here you get invocation dot get arguments. See, this arguments is returning array type. Get the arguments as an array object type. It is possible to change element value with this array to change the arguments. Okay, it changes the arguments. Okay, it changes the arguments. Okay, here okay, we'll get the arguments here. Then okay, if we can use also deep toString. Deep toString means if array is coming, then that array is converting to string. But in this deep toString, what it does means it goes array inside a array. Okay, means multi-dimensional array. All those things will convert it to string. Okay. Then what we will do? Okay. Then what we will do? We will take here what object at well I will take is equal to null I will take. Okay. Okay, object at well will take. Then what we will do? At well is equal to invocation dot I will call the method, sorry, invocation dot proceed method. Okay, we'll do proceed method. Then what it does? Okay, proceed method done. Then I will print this thing. Okay, control C, control V. Okay. Okay, this is entering to, this is exiting, leaving. Okay, leaving from. Okay, leaving from. Okay, done. Alright, well, okay, done. Then I will configure that service advice class. What is that? Bin ID is what is the, oh sorry, what is the ID is logging. Okay, then there is a class called what, our logging, not showing. Logging advice. Okay, configure list. In list we will get, okay, value tag. I will configure what, this logging here. Okay. Okay, let's go to our client app. Let's run my application. Okay, yes, here the application starts. Okay, in that second. Okay, entering to our logging. Okay, arguments, we get the argument C. Okay, then it goes to the target class. Then here leaving, then time, then calculate 6 ms. Okay, 6 milliseconds of time it taken. Okay, then what we will do? See, there is a big mistake here. What is the mistake is, we are taking the time, means we also including the time here, logging also. Okay, logging is not required to calculate at the time here, because logging is monitoring on how the application flows. This is not including in logging, so that's why we will take this logging to priority wise. Okay, I will take here, I will put there. Okay, so for our performance increasing, I will put there. Okay, then let's go. In which order we place here, that's order the advice executes. Okay, then I will run my application here. Okay, here the 0 ms, that time they take 6 ms, now they are taking 0 ms. Okay, bus done. We did it. Okay, then I will sorry, Then I will develop one more advice. The advice is catch advice. Okay. New class is what? Okay. Hmm. Catch catch advice. Okay. Catch advice. In catch advice, what is this means? In every for and why use this catch advice means catching theory in our application means let's see our web application with web application runs on a server at a time 100 at 1,000 people are accessing with giving some inputs like our what is the input they are giving ptr as a inputs. Okay, there is a possibility some 10 members giving same input. Okay, then for 10 times we are calculating the same thing. Okay, same values, there is a time wastage purpose. For that reason they will there is catching is comes into the picture. What catch is does means this catch mm, this catch when the first member is means when the first input is executes this stores in the a buffer or catch. Okay, that catch if the second member or fourth member accessing the same value, this is not execute in this is not execute the okay not execute the method business method, but they returns the previously executed that method result will return. My simple theory is this is not execute the method. Okay, this is not execute this method. Okay, this method will not execute, they will return when the previously giving the same values that will be written. Okay, let's develop this. Okay, catch advice. Okay, what it implements what method interceptor. Okay, add unimplemented methods here. Then what we will do, okay, what I will do, I will store the values here now. I will store the values. Okay, map map is there. Okay, string comma object, I will take string comma object. Okay, then what we will do, object will do, this is catch hour. Okay, this is catch hour. We are using what, new hash map, new hash map. Okay, what is this yet? Worst application ever. I see. This is not required. Okay. Another beauty is, see, for catching purpose, if the object created several times, okay, means our this container creates several times, then what happen? Okay, It's behaves like means our this performance monitoring, our जो one method interceptor we are using, this uses internally what singleton Java classes. Okay, for that purpose it creates only one object. Okay, this is the beauty. Okay. Then what we'll do performance monitoring thing. Performance monitoring thing. I will need the key here na. Here I will need the key. How to get a key? I will key is equal to what I do. I will take this thing. Okay, I will take this thing. Okay, to here. Okay, get name. Get name, then this thing not required. Okay, eraser get arguments. Okay, we get the key. Okay. Then what we'll do, object red val is equal to null. Object red val is equal to null. Then what? Then I will do if else condition where catch is not equal to catch okay. Catch, then what dot contains key. Okay. What we will do, here one thing, contains key. Okay. Ret val is equal to invocation dot proceed method I will call. Then what we will do, see, catch. Okay, catch dot, there is a put method is there, key and ret val I will push into my catch. Okay. Okay. Done. I will print here something to for understanding purpose. What? From target method. Okay na, we will get from target method. Okay, here. Then we will return one ret val. Will return ret val. Okay, done. Then second thing what we will do is else we will do what? Ret val is equal to what? Catch dot get what? Object key. Okay, get key, we will get the key here. Okay, we will get the key, and I will print here what? I will print here from catch. Okay, from catch. Okay, done. From catch we will do. Okay, then what we will do, I will return the what? Ret val I will return that. Okay, I will return the done. Our thing is done. Then start. What I will do, we will configure this thing to our application context .xml. Where is that thing? Here we will create our advice class. What is the advice class? Bin factory here, and then we will need our id is what we are well, cats, I will give them cats. Okay, what I am typing. Then the class is what? Then the class is catch advice. Okay, here is the catch advice. Okay, done. Okay, then I give the value tag here. In value tag, catch is here. Done. Let's run our application. Okay, okay, I will do something. S out. Okay, what is the S out is I will different. Okay, I will different here. Okay, then then I will copy this thing to here and then here. Okay, and then I will copy. We'll see. Okay, I will give here. Okay, I will take 1. Here I will give 1. Here is equal to 2. I am giving 2. Here is 80,000. Here is I will giving 50,000. Okay, sorry, I give here for better understanding. Okay, 50,000. I will give 8,000 here. Okay, 80,000 here. Okay, let's run our application. This is not need. Okay, let's run. See first is what? Creating. Okay, sorry, right here. First is enter to our simple calculate. Okay, then it executes from where? From target method. It's came. Okay, target method what? 80,000. Then 50,000 is also from target method, new value. But when the same entries is given, it executes from where? Catch method. There is no target method. Target method class is not executed. See, in interval calculator there is a target method, we print it, but here not executed. It's given from the catch. Okay, then okay, we see this catching things and all those things. Okay, I will end this application from here. Okay, I will give another example. I will give some improvisation here. Okay, okay, we'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video. As soon as possible we complete all those applications using our Aspect J and AOP. Thank you.